This sewing machine has dozens of moving parts that all need to work together perfectly to get good results and ensure reliability. Let's see how the new enhancements to SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2023 can gain deep insight into some of these complex mechanical systems. When zooming in on the presser foot assembly, we see that this handle uses a cam and follower design to raise the foot away from the fabric. The follower is held in place by a strong spring that holds the fabric down while sewing. We want to make sure that the spring is strong enough to keep enough pressure on the fabric, but not too strong, making it difficult to raise the lever. We'll need to test multiple spring stiffnesses until we get it right. Since there's a sliding contact, we could see some long solve times when we run the analysis. But now, in SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2023, there's a new adjustment for contact penalty stiffness. This will trade some contact pressure accuracy for faster solve time. This is great for testing out complicated assemblies or running multiple iterations searching for an optimized design. In this head-to-head comparison, when the contact penalty stiffness is set to its lowest value, the simulation runs significantly faster. Looking at the needle bar assembly, we want to ensure the needle clamp is strong enough to take on the repetitive forces from the needle. To simplify this assembly, we'll remove these set screws from the analysis. New in SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2023, we have more flexibility when creating bonded contacts between non-touching faces at extreme angles to one another, like the threaded holes for these set screws and the flat cutout on the needle bar. The upper shaft assembly has several plastic injection molded parts with complex geometry, which could require some advanced meshing and mesh interrogation. New in the Command Manager is the Diagnostic Tools flyout menu that provides quick access to important tools like mesh quality diagnostics. We quickly detect some poor quality elements that'll require mesh refinement to ensure accurate results. For SOLIDWORKS Simulation Professional users, the Under Constrained Bodies command has been greatly improved. The solver now performs a singular value decomposition, which is much faster than previous versions. We'll also see far more realistic feedback of complex under-constrained systems like this thread take-up mechanism. And for Sim Premium users, the Linkage Rod Connector, which was introduced last year, is now available for nonlinear static and dynamic studies. It'll work perfect here to help simplify the analysis and speed up runtime. Changing end conditions, offsetting the link, and dimensioning the rod will replicate its exact function in the analysis. SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2023 will speed up the analysis process with new enhancements for every designer. Contact problems will run faster than ever, bonded contacts between non-touching faces are more flexible to use, and enhancements to Simulation Professional and Premium allow for quick investigation of boundary conditions and powerful simplification tools to get your job done fast.